Hi, I'm Andrew Guido, Vice President of Sustainability and Innovation at Willowdale Asset Management that owns Empire Homes and Earth 360, our healthier home solutions venture. We are standing here in the Avalon community in Caledonia, in front of what looks like a standard construction site. But this isn't just another house, it's a laboratory. We call it the Discovery Home. For years, the building industry has been chasing two different kinds of rabbits. On one hand, we have the drive for net zero, homes that are incredibly efficient, airtight, and comfortable. On the other hand, we have a rapidly changing climate that demands resiliency. As any builder will tell you, when you try to do something for the first time in a production environment, you learn very quickly where the challenges are. It starts with the ground. Water is the number one enemy of a home's longevity. We didn't just pour a foundation, we applied a waterproofing membrane that sets in minutes with a rubber-like coating that is both VOC-free and has a low global warming potential of 1. We installed a footing barrier, also called a capillary break, between the footing and the foundation wall to stop the rise of water through the porous cement footing and making its way into the interior structure that can allow for mold growth, deterioration of moisture-sensitive materials, and unhealthy living conditions. We even redesigned the weeping tile system. We installed half the house with conventional cloth wrap perforated pipes buried in gravel, and for the other half, we wrapped the entire cloth wrap perforated pipes and gravel with a fabric cloth as an extra protection layer. Instead of burying it and forgetting it, we installed inspection ports that will give us a 360-degree view of the weeping tiles around the perimeter. It means that 10, 20, 30, or more years from now, if there's a blockage or a backup issue, we can scope it and fix it without excavating the entire yard. For the homeowner, that's peace of mind. For the insurance company, that's risk mitigation. As we move up to the framing, the real collision between energy efficiency and structural strength happened. Net zero demands thick foam insulation on the outside to stop thermal bridging. But resilience demands shear strength, plywood or OSB, to stop the house from raking in the wind. So we did both. We pushed the sheathing to the exterior to accommodate an engineered structural wood siding product with an exterior finish that can withstand hail, which offers incredible resistance compared to standard vinyl. But the biggest story here is hidden inside the walls. It's called continuous load path. A typical home is designed for normal winds, but in a high wind event like a tornado, this isn't enough. We needed to mechanically tie this house to the earth. That meant drilling and nailing an assortment of fasteners to tie the roof through the second and first floor, anchoring them deep into the concrete foundation. I won't sugarcoat this. It was a battle. We were drilling through double plates, dodging floor joists, and realizing that standard tools just couldn't cut it. Or should I say drill it. We had to source impact drills with more power and longer bits, like 2 feet long, just to make these connections work. It took our framing crews longer than usual. It was a learning curve, but now this roof isn't just sitting on the walls, it is locked to the foundation. We also looked at the roof itself. We installed a self-sealing underlayment covering the area above the ice and water shield, and a Class 4 impact-resistant architectural shingles. We even upgraded the exhaust vents to metal because plastic just doesn't survive a serious hailstorm. And for good measure, we also installed around the perimeter a drip edge to protect the sheeting from forced rain. It's about more than just energy savings. It's about knowing your family is safe when the weather turns violent. It's about a dry basement and a roof that can take some punishment from high winds. For the developer and the builder, it's about future-proofing our product. We know the codes are changing. We know the climate is changing. By figuring out the logistics and process sequence now, we are building a roadmap for mass production. And of course, for the insurance industry, this is the data they've been waiting for. We are proving that you can build a home that reduces claims, lowers premiums, and stands the test of time. Thank you for listening.